Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a crucial accessory for anyone relying on their Elmo visual presenter, specifically the model requiring PN, Elmo 5ZA0000104C. We're talking about the Digipartspower AC adapter, a power charger supply designed to keep those presentations running smoothly. This particular AC adapter from Digipartspower comes packed with what the manufacturer calls super product characteristics, focusing heavily on safety and reliability. It incorporates over-temperature protection, or OTP, essential for preventing overheating and potential damage. Then there's over-voltage protection, OVP, safeguarding against power surges. Short-circuit protection, SCP, offers a critical layer of defense against electrical faults. And finally, overcurrent protection, OCP, ensures the adapter doesn't draw too much power, which could lead to damage. These features collectively provide a robust safety net, giving users significant peace of mind. The manufacturer emphasizes that this adapter is crafted from high-quality materials and rigorously tested to guarantee both safety and long-term durability. This commitment to quality means users can confidently choose this product, knowing it's built to last and perform reliably. Beyond its safety features, the Digipartspower AC adapter is also designed for convenience. It boasts a small size and compact design, making it incredibly easy to carry around, whether one is moving between classrooms, conference rooms, or simply using it at home. Its low power consumption is another benefit, contributing to energy efficiency. Weighing in at a mere 4 ounces and presented in a sleek black color, it's unobtrusive and highly portable, ideal for those who need to take their visual presenter on the go. However, like any electronic device, proper handling is key to maximizing its lifespan and performance. The manufacturer advises users to prevent it from falling from heights, as drops can severely damage internal components. Similarly, throwing, knocking, or shaking the charger should be avoided. Extreme high and low temperatures are also detrimental, as they can significantly shorten the life of electronic equipment, damage the charger itself, and compromise its circuit boards. For optimal operation and longevity, it is recommended for indoor use only. Furthermore, it's crucial not to run the adapter overloaded, as doing so can lead to premature damage. Adhering to these simple guidelines will ensure the adapter continues to function effectively for a long time. In essence, for anyone in need of a reliable and safe power solution for their Elmo visual presenter PN, Elmo 5ZA0000104C, this Digipartspower AC adapter presents itself as a well-engineered option. Its comprehensive safety protections, durable construction, and portable design make it a practical and worry-free choice for maintaining the functionality of an essential presentation tool.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.